guys, so this is what you guys been waiting for. I finally got my performance. It's called FX by Flowmaster. It's a resonator. I had a resonator delete, so I have slight drone inside, and the goal is to remove that slight drone and a little bit of rasp. So we want deeper sound, deeper pops, and no drone inside. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got, and then I'll let you guys hear the cold start and a little bit of while I'm headed to the spot to my guy. He's gonna do it for me, and I'll make a video of that, so you guys could get a really good setup that I currently have, the sound of a current setup and a sound that I'm gonna get. So I'm very excited. Most of you have been waiting for, so stay tuned and keep watching. Make sure to watch the full video, otherwise you're gonna miss out on like very valuable, I guess, detail or whatever you were trying to get, an exhaust system or a setup for yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this. I'm gonna show you what I got, and the link is in the description below if you really like the sound of it afterwards. It's like 42 bucks, honestly. It's worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and install it at the shop, and I'll let you guys hear it. And I'm gonna show you what it is, what it looks like right now with the packaging. All right, so that's the packaging right there. And I already opened the side up so I could show you guys real quick how it looks on the inside. So I'll get rid of the box. 1 second, I'll take it out. All right, so it's well packed and everything. I'm gonna put the box to the side, and this is what you get, a nice decal with it. It's really nice, and that's the packaging. I guess I'm just gonna open it there at the shop because I don't want to ruin anything like that. So I'll show you a little bit of it. There's tape on it, but I'll show you real quick from the half of it at least. So it's got the brand on it right there, and it's just supposed to keep the sound the same. As you can see, it's not like a stock piece. Well, the other side is blocked. Usually stock one is like, it's smaller inside. This is wide, and as you can see, small holes on the side to delete the drone that you may have slightly. And I hope this will keep the volume that you have, the sound volume. Just removes drone and rasp a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and try to go for this. And yeah, stay tuned, keep watching, and it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys let you hear the cold start, and then we'll go ahead and drive. So this is how it sounds right now with the windows closed. It's normal drive, not sport mode or anything. Now it's in sport mode. Let's see how this sounds. provides a good clip. This should be good now. That's the brand right there. Again, we have a PRL front pipe, PRL front pipe right here, downpipe catted, and then now we got the resonator to get rid of the drone inside and the rasp, which is this one. I'll put the link in the description below. And then we have in the back, we have a muffler delete, and we'll see how it sounds now. Alright guys, so it's all done. It's already installed, so I'm gonna go ahead and start a cold start for this. See how it sounds now. Alright guys, so comment below, let me know what you guys think of the exhaust work. Definitely there's no rasp or drone inside. It's quieter, but at the same time it's deeper. It's actually louder than resonator and muffler delete, but it's like clean, deep, loud sound, and it's nice. It looks good. It sounds good to me. Comment below if you guys think I should go back to resonator delete or not, or I should keep this sound for now. Let me know. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I'll be uploading more videos. Peace.